Hello, Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have pretty cards with feathers for you. So let's get started. So here I have the Easy 3D toppers by Hearty Crafts that I love so much. Each bag has 10 different embellishments and they all are already die cut, and the layers are ready for you in individual small bags. So here you can see how they come. These are very lightly glittered. It's not a lot, but you can see just enough for us who like glitter. And 10 for each bag. And I'd like to show some cards I made with these. So first of all, I have this very large card here. This card is 8 by 8, and I bought these card blanks when I was in Europe last year. I don't carry them in my shop because I'm not really sure if anybody would like a large card like that. If you do, let me know. Leave a message, a comment in the box below and I can get them. But I like sometimes to have a big card, for example at work when there's a birthday or an anniversary and a lot of people want to sign it, then a big card comes in handy. So I used this big 8 by 8 card. I used an 8 by 8 paper that I cut down just slightly to fit this card. Also I used the same die I introduced last week by Crafter's Companion. And then I have the happy birthday is a sticker that I just added on a piece of paper that I had left over. I added a bow, and then of course these beautiful princess stones that I also showed to you last week. These are the ones that I have now in my store. There are 100 in each bag in different colors. And what I really like about those stones is that they are not heavy. They're totally light, so they don't add any weight to your card, but of course beautiful bling, and you can see how they're cut. They look like diamonds. But the showstopper is of course this beautiful feather flower arrangement right here on the front. And let's see, it is about 4 inches, so quite large, and it came from this pack. Now my next card, also from the very same pack, and this you can see how quick these cards could come together. I used a purple card blank from Michael's. I used 1 strip of paper I had left over, a little bit of glitter borders, and then just the embellishment. With love, those are sticker sentiments that I carry in my shop, but absolutely stunning, wouldn't you say? And this card literally took me minutes to make. A little bit of bling, and isn't it stunning? What I like the best when I make cards, and those of you who know me, I like quick cards that look beautiful. I don't like to sit for an hour or 2 on one card. I do it sometimes, but not often. I rather make quick cards, and they still need to look like I spent a lot of time, or they need to be at least very pretty. So, and this, I think, does the job. So here is my second card from this very same pack. And I have a couple more. Here I have a square card, but this is a smaller square card, and it is 4 3/4. And what I did here is I used 2 pieces of scrap that I had, a little bit of bling, and then one of these gorgeous feather embellishments. And that's all it is. It's another very quick card. You use up your scraps and you make these beautiful cards, and you can literally make them. Once you have all your materials out, you can make these cards in minutes. And the last one from this pack is also a square card with this beautiful embellishment. Again, only 2 pieces of scrap paper. I have a greeting down here that came from a paper pack, and a little bit of a glitter border. This is some bling that I had in my stash for a long time and finally found a way to use them. but it's it. So these 3 cards came together very quickly. This took a little bit more time because I had to die cut the paper, but these were very quick, and aren't they stunning? So then I have another bag of 3D toppers called Feathers, and let's look at those. These are just as gorgeous. The colors are a little bit more on the natural side, so if you want to take a look, look how beautiful they are. And these are foiled, so there's no glitter here, but oh, there actually is glitter, but also foil, so they're both foiled and glittered. And they even have a little embellishment here. So again, 10 to a bag. Look how stunning. The blue one, I love those. And I also made a very quick card. And here I just wanted to show you how a white card blank can look very classy with just a little bit of high-end paper. So scraps, really, that's what it is, because what I have here is a piece of scrap paper. This came from a paper pack that, let me see if I have that available right now to show you. Yeah, so this is, let me see, it came from the English Garden, and this is by Hackney and Co., the craft consortium. And I'm going to introduce these to you next week. But there was some feather paper in there, which of course matched my embellishment. And here I just had a little bit of glitter paper left. Happy birthday is a sticker. And look at this card. I added a little bit of just one little bling here. And here is my card with my white background. And this is just a regular card from Michaels. I love this one, and I really like how this came together so quickly, and I love how I use up my scrap paper. So, and my last embellishment bag that I would like to share with you is the brooches, also easy 3D toppers, and there are 10 very pretty card toppers. Let's take a quick look. They have these embossed embellishments. We call them gammons in German. I don't know. So here it's called brooches. I don't know. There's probably a word for it that I'm not aware of. But you can see how gorgeous they are. And lightly glittered. Here is a perfume bottle. These would make beautiful cards. Classy. Look how gorgeous. Yeah, I like that artwork. It looks just stunning. And where can you find anything like this? This is the thing. I like to find card embellishments that are not that common. And I really love how these are arranged. So I made one more card. And here is the card I made. I just used some glittery background paper, some pretty flower paper. This fan is actually a die by Anna Griffin, and I cut out a few fans. And I thought I would just make a good companion to this beautiful embellishment. It has the couple feathers. It has some keys hanging here. Of course, the rose, the feathers. Best wishes is a sticker sheet, and then on my feather, those little glitter dots, these are just leftovers. I mean, this is how it looks. This sheet was a happy birthday sheet, yeah, with happy birthday stickers. And once you take them all off, you have these little leftovers. So these are just the inners of the stickers. But look how glittery they are. So I couldn't see myself throwing these out because they can add a little bit of glitter when you need just a little pick-me-up on your card. So don't throw away your leftover sheets until you have used every little part that glitters from your sticker sheet. So another very quick card, just a little bit of bling here, that I made with the feathers. So I hope you like my cards with these pretty feather embellishments. If so, leave me a thumbs up and a comment in the box below. Thank you for spending time with me today. Please stay healthy and I'll catch you next time. Bye!